50 families signed up. 50.
For what?
Virtual cookie night, Swoke in St. Mary, next Sunday.
Coming together. 21st.
21st, 4:30.
4:30. I'm there?
You're there at my house.
You're
At my house.
Okay, so we're both there.
We're both there.
Cooking
They're
it?
on Zoom, we're in person.
Okay.
Together.
Okay. Are we still making fermented foods?
I think that's best. So, kimchi,
That's not
sauerkraut, kombucha, and vegan burgers.
Are we gonna do the eggs, the pink eggs?
The pink eggs with a little bit of the vinegar taste. Kids like health, and
Wow, that's not healthy.
they like kombucha.
Wow.
They've told me.
No, that's a lie.
New generation of health.
They just don't want you to be upset because they don't like your
Oh,
kombucha.
is that they're defending my feelings?
Yep.
They call me soft. Is that what?
No, but I'm just saying that no one likes kombucha for real.
All right, we'll do a little survey after. So this could be an interview because Mrs. Ricker Murphy's always looking for people who cook healthy and are chefs.
For what? The cafeteria?
Yeah. So I mean,
So we're gonna serve kombucha.
kombucha,
Cha.
cha. Yes.
Every day.
Every day.
In the
I mean, the kids are gonna be like
that's not gonna fly.
radiant. Like knowledge will be inserted into their minds. So, are you nervous though? Like this
Yeah,
could be
I'm
an
nervous
interview.
I'll never eat again in the cafeteria.
Well, all right, we'll see what happens.
We'll see.
4:30,
4:30, your house,
my house.
21st.
Even if there's snow, 12 to 24 inches,
Like the post office.
rain,
Sleet,
Snow.
shine,
we're there.
we deliver.
That's we
That's-
deliver. Yeah. All right.
That's,
I think that's it.
that is it. I mean, that's verbatim.
You're the best history teacher.
Well, we do talk about the U.S. Postal Service a lot in class. Just saying.
That's sarcastic.
Yeah, it was very sarcastic.
Hey, we'll see you there.